Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by verifying essentials: Ktuner device, the correct OBD cable, a laptop, and a fully charged battery. Once connected, open the Ktuner app and install any required drivers so the device is recognized. Make sure to create and sign into your Ktuner account if the platform needs it. Before proceeding, perform an ECU read and save the OEM file. This backup is critical because it lets you restore factory settings if something goes wrong. Once done with the backup, load the appropriate vehicle profile and firmware version inside the Ktuner software. This ensures compatibility with your ECU. You then import or select a base tune and review map changes. Focus on fuel, ignition timing, rev, and boost limits. Make incremental adjustments and enable safety limits to protect knock and AFR. If you plan on aggressive settings, dial in small steps and use 0.5 throttle mapping changes so you can validate behavior. You will write the chosen tune to the ECU while the engine is off or as instructed, then verify the write with the app checksum. After writing, start the car and perform a short validation drive, watching AFR, knock, and temperature. If a check engine light appears, stop driving, read codes, and restore the OEM backup to prevent damage. One key troubleshooting tip: if communication or errors occur, restore factory file, update Ktuner firmware/drivers, and inspect grounds and the OBD connector before retrying.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.